Let me show you how to make this naturally sweet baked oatmeal with bananas, with a chewy center and crunchy edges that makes your kitchen smell absolutely amazing. First, measure 4 cups of rolled oats and add them to your mixing bowl. I like using gluten-free sprouted oats because they taste nuttier and are more nutritious. I left the link in the description below. Next, add 1 cup of almond butter to the oats. Peanut butter would work just as well if that is what you have in your pantry. Next, add 1.5 cups of ripe mashed bananas, which is about 3 to 4 bananas. Then, add 1/4 cup of maple syrup or honey. Both work great for sweetness. Then, add 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. I like using semi-sweet dark chocolate because it is not too sweet and have a deeper chocolate flavor. Then, give all the ingredients a good mix until everything is well combined. Next, line an 8-inch square baking pan with parchment paper and drizzle a bit of oil on it to prevent the oatmeal from sticking. This makes cleanup so much easier later. Scoop all the oat mixture into the pan. The mixture is thick and dense because of the bananas and almond butter, so you need to press it down really hard with a spatula. It really helps if you cut them into bars later so they would not fall apart when you pick them up or pack them in a lunchbox. Sprinkle a bit more chocolate chips on the top for a nice finish and bake the oats in a preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius until the edges get golden and crispy and your kitchen starts to smell absolutely amazing. I always like to wait for the edges to get a bit extra golden brown and crispy, but do not worry, the center still stays soft and deliciously chewy. These baked oats are best straight out of the oven with crispy edges and chewy center, but they are also good to pack for lunch boxes or breakfast on the go. If you like baking with oats, then you are absolutely going to like this protein-rich cheesecake that I made with oat crust here. Check it out now!